Hello little artist, welcome back to CanvasMagic. Today we are drawing something super fun. A cute little girl sitting on her scooty. Are you excited? We start with a big round headlight so the little girl can see the road. Next we add the footer trim and then the back panel. Now let's draw the font marker and wheels, round and smooth. And finally, we will draw the strong handle. Look at that! Our scooty is ready for a fun ride. Now, let's draw our little friend Tina. We start with her face, making it round and cute. Then we add her hair. So pretty! Let's give her small nose and big shiny eyes and a sweet smile. Now let's draw her dress and tiny hands holding the handles. Look at Tina's eyes. Wow, they are moving. She looks so lively and excited for her ride. Followed by her legs and shoes. At last, we add the scooty seat so she feels comfortable. Now it's time to color. Grab your crayon. Let's make the scooty a beautiful pink. The mudguard's upper part will be soft of white and the wheel will use a black. Wheel highlights and handle will use gray. So good! Last, we add brown color. Now let's bring Tina to life. We will use a peach color for her face, hands and legs. Her t-shirt and skirt will feel bright happy blue, and her shoes will match. Let's add yellow socks for a fun contrast. Now let's color her beautiful hair. Finally, we add a soft pink blush to her cheeks and lovely pink color to her legs. She looks so pretty. Now fill green color and soft yellow color background. Wow! Our drawing is complete and Tina looks amazing on her pink scooty. Let's go! Wind is playing with her hair and she is having so much fun. What's that? It's a cute little dog. Tina loves Puppy. She stopped to say hello to Puppy. Tina has to continue her ride. Bye bye Tina. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to CanvasMagic for more fun drawing. See you next time. Bye bye.